Hi guys! Someone on Discord asked me how I went about adding hair to my miniatures after he saw a picture I posted of a miniature I recently painted. And it's actually quite simple, so I thought I would make a little video about it. All you're going to need is of course your fully painted miniature. I've even varnished this one. And you're going to need some white glue, a container to thin it down with water, a brush, and a cotton bud, and some water. So first off, I'm taking some white glue, adding it to this container here. Not very much. That's more than enough. And then I'm going to thin it down with water. Like so. And then I'm just going to apply directly to his bald head. And with that, I'm going to take my cotton bud and rip out some pieces of hair. You can rip out several until you find the size that's suitable for your project. I think I'll try this one. And then just apply it to the head. Like so. And then let it dry for a short while. His hair's a mess right now, but we'll remedy that in a moment. Then, just like at the hairdresser, I'm taking some water and spray it onto the hair. Like so. Then I can better manipulate it with my brush. And set it exactly how I want it to look. And once you're done with this, let it dry fully. And your model now has hair. And with that, thank you for watching and happy painting.